Yes, this is officially the ugliest bathroom you have ever seen. See this? It's pretty. Little bathroom there, shower. The shower is the pretty part. So anyway, this little bathroom space is under the front porch of the house, and so maybe get your ideas. Maybe in the suggestions, maybe you can just kind of post up kind of what you would suggest. Maybe we just take the whole thing out. It's plumbed in. It actually works. It's kind of strange, but again, not real pretty. And maybe if you have some ideas on just exactly what we do with this space, I'd be interested in seeing it. It's looking, maybe I thought it was a mouse, but it's maybe some old carpet or something. So anyway, welcome your ideas here.